People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. And I just got a surprise. Okay, well, first of all, this has been a really stressful week. And good news, my daughter just got verified on Instagram as she is a public speaker, and she wasn't expecting it. So, yay, real proud of her. In the meantime, I've had a sinus infection for like the last week and a half, and I'm gonna give it till tomorrow to completely clear up before I resort to antibiotics. I don't like antibiotics, so we're avoiding that. My daughter brought me some mulin or mucilin. It's a tea. It really helped. And she brought 3 servings of it, so I'm supposed to take one a day for the next 3 days, along with some or chagas or some kind of mushroom. In the meantime, I wash my hands with gloves on, and this time I forgot to check the label. I mean, I use nitrile gloves for everything. These were latex. I'm allergic to latex, so my hands completely broke out. And the doctor put me on this steroidal cream that's basically really strong. Said put it everywhere there's a breakout, put some gloves on, do that twice a day. So, yeah, I'm literally wearing the gloves 24/7 for the next 4 weeks or up to 4 weeks. So, between the sinus infection and the coughing to the point where I'm literally throwing up, and the contact dermatitis, and just not feeling 100%, I do get weak a lot, so sometimes I do stuff that I can't actually accomplish, like taking out the garbage. That bag was heavy, so instead I stuck it on the outside of my apartment because of the simple fact that I can't deal with certain smells. When stuff get a smell, it's got to leave. But there was no way I could physically walk it to where the dumpsters are today, and I know it. It was like everything in me just to get it to the door. Hold up. So I put it on the outside the door. I played with the grandbaby. Part of that is on JCN's Corner that's about to be uploaded. And the other garbage can that was in the bathroom and my bedroom, I combined that into one big bag, and I was finna take it outside because I was feeling a little stronger. And when I opened the door to my apartment, the first bag was gone. I'm like, who took my. Really? So I'm walking down the hallway with this bag of garbage that's much lighter than the first one. And I seen one of my neighbors, and I said, "Do y'all know who took my garbage? My other bag of garbage?" And he goes, "Oh, I'm sorry. Did you want to keep that?" I, I, I just went on ahead and took it to the. I was like, "Thank you." He don't know. He did me a huge solid. And he thought he did something wrong. It's like, no, anytime you want to take my garbage, I got no problem. Come on, knock on the door and say, "Can you get your garbage?" He's not going to do that, of course, but still, I'm just so grateful. But it just occurred to me stuff like that happens here all the time. The people here are amazing. If you have laundry that you kind of forgot to get, I mean, they give you 4 days before they put your stuff in a pile and say, if you don't get your stuff, we're going to throw it away. But people have actually knocked on my door and said, "Hey, is that your laundry?" So that way they don't this my stuff. People are taking my garbage to the curb for me. They knock on my door to bring my medicine instead of waiting till I come to the front desk to say, hey, did I get a package? It's just, I mean, my heart is full. It's like, little old me, I don't bother nobody. Half the people here don't even know my name. The few that do know my name call me Miss K. But basically, I am invisible. I like it that way. So when I have these issues because I'm physically not capable of doing certain things or my health is declining or whatever, it's just nice to know that someone's going to knock on the door and check on me and see about me and all that. So I just wanted to put that out there. Don't be surprised when people show you a kindness or do you a solid, even when you think that you're invisible. So, yeah, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at purplebutterfly-soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. I got medicine I got to take. It's going to put me to sleep. So I'm just going to sign off for tonight. Bye now.